Hi, and welcome back to Baking with Alisa. Today we're going to be making a baked mac and cheese. Let's get the oven preheated to 375. Now we need to get a big pot of water boiling. Now that our water's boiling, let's add some salt and 3 cups of elbow macaroni. We want to cook this till it's al dente. Our noodles will take about 6 minutes or so. So while we wait, we're going to add our cheeses. We have 4 cups of cheddar cheese and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Just use your hand and mix it up. Now to make our milk mixture. First we have 2 large eggs. Then we have 2 cans, 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. And a 1/3 cup of any milk you need or want. And our last ingredient is a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. Now mix that all up really well. And it's ready. Lightly spray a 9x13 baking dish. After you drain your noodles, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Stir it until it melts. Okay, next we're going to layer noodles, then cheese in our pan. Now we get to pour milk mixture on top of the macaroni and the cheese. Now to put it in the oven. We're gonna bake it for 30 minutes. Tonight's dinner is going to be excellent. Thanks for watching Baking with Alisa. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!